Okay, today we are going to be taking a look at the new Battletech core box and the starter box to see what we get in these bad boys. Now, there is a little bit of difference. So one is a little bit bigger. So let's take a look at the starter box first. What do we get? We got 2 ready to play miniatures. We have a 12-page quick start rulebook. That's always nice. A 4-page lore book. 8 half-page laminated record sheets. Nice. 18 by 22 game map, double-sided. Heck yeah. Some punch boards. Let's cut this open and see what we get. Let's try not to break this snap blade like we did last one. So funny thing, we just picked up the other beginner box for Battletech and almost finished the review in it, and we've seen these boxes pop up. So we figured we'd just scrap that idea and go straight to these. So let's see what kind of contents we have. Oh, it's a terrible glare right there. So, starter pack. So we get our familiar sheets here. Uh-oh. Can't quite get it. There we go. We're rocking and rolling now. That's going to be noisy as crap. I apologize in advance. First mission. Okay. See, we got our normal stuff over here. Got the pips like always. Gives us a little bit of lore of the guy. That's nice. Nice, nice, nice. First mission, here's this guy. The hammerhead. And then we have this one. And we have quite a few of these sheets. So yeah, they're really put together. It's not bad. Let's take a look at the mechs now that we get. Pretty solid looking guy. There we go, focus. Nice. Definitely looks like the hammerhead. And we get with this guy. Yeah. How do they compare to the other starter set ones? Not too bad. Then we have our cards. No Alpha Strike stuff in this box. So that is something to note. Oh. Always. Gotta love them dice. Get this out the way. And then we have a little history of everything. See where everyone's at right now. Different clan houses. We have the quick start guide. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Really well put together. I'm liking it so far. It's very... I like this on the back. Just flip this over and here you go. You're rocking and rolling. Nope. A little stuck in there. Quick start rules. What's next for Catalyst Games? We're fixing to tear that open. Here we go. That's what they can look like if you were a better painter than me. Oh, here's our tokens. Not too bad. And now here is our map for double-sided. Oh man, this is thick paper. This is better than some of the other stuff we will get to. Let's pop this up on the big camera. Can you see it? So yeah, this is nice. Real heavy duty. And then it still has the hexes and coordinates on it if you wanted to play this by mail. So yeah, we'll just set this over there. So we can compare the core box to this one. So yeah, it comes with a quite nice supply of stuff. I mean, if you get this starter box, you can definitely get a game plan, I would say, in a matter of hours. It looks like it's going to be pretty straightforward and streamlined for you. So when you're getting into one of these heavier style games, it is nice to know that it can be played very quick and very fast. That it's not rules dense. Now, it's very rules dense, and then if you're coming in from the outside, never experienced Battletech before, it can be a lot to take in. You know, they've had 40 years, and there really hasn't been too big of an update. Not like this in quite a while. So I'm kind of hoping everything's just a little more streamlined. So now let's take a look at this core set. Well, core box. We have 8 miniatures in this, you know, another 24-page lore book, a 72-page rule book, 2 18 by 22 maps, some mech cards, heavy stock reference sheet, poster map, and more. So this definitely has quite a bit of stuff in it. It might be pretty packed full. So here we go, moment of truth. Are we going to break the snap blade cutting this? No, we are not. We make that smooth as butter. So now we'll just stack everything over here to the right. Throw that trash somewhere else. Come on. It's stuck. Got it. We'll do that one there. Ooh, here we go. Here we go. We have some nice looking models right here. Wonder if I can speed paint these up real fast. Wonder how long it'll take me to speed paint all these. Because I am not a good painter. Definitely interested to see how this game goes. I haven't played too much Battletech, and I'm looking to get into it pretty heavy since I watched a lot of it at Gen Con. Definitely seemed right up our alley, you know, take a break from Warhammer, throw some Battletech games together. But there's just a ton of lore that you could dive really deep into on Battletech. And we definitely have a decent starting force now. So, how long would it take you guys to paint these guys? You guys pro painters and got your whole painting set up ready to go for these? Because I think this box comes out September, maybe, where you can order it. I think the starter box comes out within the next few weeks. I'm not sure. Maybe I should be sure of that before I start making videos about it. But I don't know, these guys. It's definitely a very cool box to pop open. And what do I see there? I see Alpha Strike cards. So I wonder if the hammerhead is in that box. That would be interesting. Oh, here we go. Are we going to see hammerhead? Alpha Strike. We have most of these guys. Oh, what did I stumble across back there? So yeah, here we go. Because I don't know, it's hard for me to go to game stores and play. And a lot of people around here don't play Battletech or games. So everything's just Magic the Gathering or Pokemon. There's the hammerhead. So an important note, if you get the starter set, you don't get Alpha Strike's cards for their two models. But if you get the core box over there, then you get their Alpha Strike cards. So something to consider. Does that mean they want you to buy both boxes to have all the stuff? Or could you figure out something else? There's our dice. Those are plastic trash. Well, here we go. We got a book here. There we go, you know. That's definitely going to help me get inspired to paint. You know, a nice little lore book here. Gives me something to dig into. Because from the outside, this game definitely looks interesting. We have our clan houses, a little lore on them. What clan are you guys going to go with? Ooh, the wolves look pretty cool. Ooh, the mercenaries, I don't know. Interesting. Let's swap that there now. Okay. So now we have, you know, our cluster hits reference card. This is nice to have this on hand. Oh, nice. Thick rule book. Oh, like those. That's sick. I'm gonna be honest, I wish I could paint this good. You know, we just have, oh, look at that. The sections are color coded. Oh, that's nice. It definitely seems like it's a lot more smoother than the other one. And well put together. This could be played fairly quick, I would imagine now. It's a very good starting point. If you're just getting into Battletech, this core box is probably going to be a great investment for you. It will give you a ton of the stuff you need right off the bat to get you games playing. Yeah, this is nice. You know, you got all your tabs over here. Do they do the whole section? Oh, shoot. They do. You got tabs for everything. So it's quick and easy to find your stuff. This book is nice. Definitely put together. Oh, here we go. We got some of these. Your record sheets. All right. They're nice. So there's that. Here we go. Here is the map, I believe, that they was talking about. Oh, all right. So if you're a Battletech fan, you will like this. This is getting hung up on the wall. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, and you got all the clan areas. Oh, knocked him over. No. Yeah, this will definitely be going up on the wall. Maybe one of the next videos you watch, this will be my background. Very cool. Very cool. Just have to get all the wrinkles out of it now. Okay, so now here we have more stuff. Oh, we have a very cool looking map here. Oh, two map. I forgot there's two. Some more of that Mars desert looking stuff. You know, got some water in there. Now we got a highway section. Very nice. And if you have the core box, it comes with two maps. Very nice. Oh, this one's got a bunch of hills and stuff. I do think I am going to get the raised terrain to go on this. I definitely like to immerse myself. I definitely like to have that looking on the table. I like that look of the terrain, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Oh, nice cardstock of everything. Modifier tables. This is nice. This is very nice. Now we have more tokens. Rubble, smoke, snow, fire. Not bad. And then we have, you know, just their Beyond the Core box set. Oh, so yeah, let's throw that there. So yeah, that is everything that you get in the core box and the starter box. There's definitely a lot of stuff. And then we also happen to pick up the core book. That was another thing we got. And we picked all this stuff up at Gen Con while I was up there. That's pretty good looking artwork. So we'll just, oh, look at this. We got another color tabbed. Quick and easy finding stuff. This is nice. And we got our missions. We got everything we need to play the game. Yeah, I'm very excited to get all this. Definitely going to be figuring the game out, giving it a shot. So, what are you guys most excited about when we start Battletech? Oh, side note, there probably will be affiliate links in this video. They don't cost you anything, but they do help the channel out. Whether you use them or not, yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. But yeah, thank you for the support if you do use them, and then thank you for the support for just watching and subbing to the video. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Happy gaming.